Hey besties, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new, my name is Lindsay. I love makeup, skincare, and hanging out with you guys. And y'all, I'm so happy to be back talking to you guys. It's been like 5 days or something like that. I had a computer issue, but I'm back. And in today's video, we are going to be doing the May Boxycharm base box for 2020. I'm super excited, but you guys, look at my box. My box is a little bit damaged, but that's totally fine. If you guys don't already know what Boxycharm is, it's basically a monthly subscription beauty box where you pay $27.99 a month and you get 5 full-size products. And those 5 full-size products will usually retail up to $175. However, I will say in recent months, it's been closer to $150, $160, but I still think that's a really great value when you're paying $27.99. And I will go ahead and link below in my comment section, or sorry, description box, oh my goodness, where you guys can sign up. That will be affiliated, so if you're not comfortable with me earning a small commission from it, totally understand that, no pressure. You can just go to their website and sign up that way. And all of the other products on my face, of course, will also be linked in the comment section below. Now, I'm super excited, you guys. Again, my box is like so beat up, but we're just gonna go ahead and open it. I have not seen anything and I'm super excited. This is the Boxycharm Super Bloom. That is the theme for May. And purple is my favorite color, so I do appreciate this. I thought I was recording and I was talking and I wasn't, but this is from the brand Farmacy. This is the first thing in this box. It's the Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA resurfacing serum with honey and prickly pear. I love Farmacy so much, you guys. I loved their multi-way cleansers. I love their face wash. I repurchased that so much, the whipped greens one, and I also really enjoy their face mask that I've tried. I can't remember the name of it, but I remember it was green. If that's helpful, probably not, but I'm super excited about this. Let me go ahead and rip the seal so we can give it a sniff. I was gonna say this smelled like the Feeling Good one, but I just think it has a similar-ish texture. This one seems to be a little bit thinner. I do feel like I smell like honey and pear in there though, but also that really strong scent as well. I don't know, I'm very excited. It does feel really good on my fingers, so I'm actually very excited to put it on the face. What do you guys think? I don't know. This is a really big product. Let me tell you how much this cost. So this is $40 and it says a body hydrating and resurfacing serum. Instantly softens rough skin and illuminates bumps with AHAs and BHAs, leaving skin remarkably smooth with the lit from within glow, which I'm so totally into. So I guess you can use this on your skin, like your, oh, it says body. Ooh, so can you put this on your face too? I mean, I'm sure, right? I don't know. Usually it'll say face and body. I'll have to look this up, but if you guys have tried this, let me know if you put it on your face as well. Next up, from the brand Skin Inc., we have the Serum Glow Filter Hydro Micro Capsule. And this is what the outer packaging looks like. I think that's really cute on the top there. Oh, this looks really freaking cool, you guys. Ooh. That's really interesting. Okay, wow. Let me read the... Oh, this is good too, like the packaging of it. I've never tried anything from this brand though. So this is what the texture looks like. Ooh. It feels good on the skin. It feels really light, very lightweight. So this is $50, which is a lot of money, but my Oasis serum is also around there, so it makes sense if it does a really great job. And it says it's supposed to be perfect for day use and is personalized for your skin tone, using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. Dang, I wish I wasn't like wearing makeup right now so I could smear it on for you guys. I think at the end of the month what I'm going to start doing with my Boxycharms is giving you guys like a final update by the end of that month on each month, just so you have a better, you know, kind of review on the boxes. Let me know if you guys would want to see that, but I probably will incorporate that. But this is really great. So far, $90, 2 skincare products. I love skincare more than I love the makeup when it comes to Boxycharm, so I am very excited right now, you guys, like very excited. Then we have a Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint from Ciate London. I really love the rose gold packaging of this. And let's go ahead and open her up. What shade are you in? The shade is Coconut, and it looks like a really nudie pinky color. I don't know if I'll like this or not. Let's see. Ooh. Whoa, okay, so I just went in with a lot. You do not need a lot. And this is what the color looks like. So it's a little bit darker, obviously, than the outer packaging. Like that light pink is definitely not what I'm seeing on my skin. However, if you really were to sit there and sheer it out just like you would on the face, this is what you would be left with, which is actually a little bit similar to the outside of the packaging. Now, this looks like it's gonna give you a really glow from within kind of vibe. It has like a very liquidy feel to it, so I don't know if I'm necessarily going to love that on this skin. I don't know if it's gonna slip and slide too much. I like my blushes to be not stiff. I like them to be emollient, but not too emollient. This to me is like very like watery and like, ooh, oh, it smells vanilla-y, coconutty. Oh, I love the smell of that though. Wow. I'm just worried it might slip and slide on the skin, but if you've tried this, please let me know your thoughts and opinions. This is also $22, and it is a next gen gel balm tint that is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky powder blush. First of all, I love powder blush. I'm wearing some today over a cream one, but I see the shade. With an ultra lightweight finish, Dewy Blush leaves just a subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheek, blending effortlessly into a modern glass-like sheen. So I really love that about it. It also says it has dragon fruit, and the blush brightens your base, leaving the skin with a healthy flush of color. What I will say is I can totally see that glass-like finish, and I really do love this scent. However, if coconutty smells, like kind of tropic smells, like bother you, you're not going to like it. Y'all know the Physicians Formula bronzers and stuff like that. It's not that intense, but it kind of does give me that vibe, just a little bit knocked down. So if that bothers you, then there's that. I don't know how I'll feel about this. I've never tried anything like this, so I do need to go ahead and give it a go, try it out, and give you guys more of like an opinion, which is why giving a final review at the end of the month would probably be great. But yeah, I am actually very intrigued by this though. I will say I am very excited about it. And then from the brand Basic Beauty, we have an eyeshadow primer. I think the last eyeshadow primer we got was from Ace Beauty, and I actually did like that one. So I'm actually really happy to get this, though I wish it maybe would have been like a lipstick or something, because that's just my preference. And honestly, even though I love the Ace Beauty one, I end up using concealer 9 times out of 10 because I'm lazy and I don't want to go get the eyeshadow primer, which sounds so bad. But anyway, it's $18 from Basic Beauty. I've never tried anything from this brand, but let me know if you have yourself. And it's actually formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look. They say it lasts up to 12 hours, so I don't know if you're going to be wearing your makeup longer than that, maybe skip this. But if you are, let's go ahead and see what the texture feels like. How it comes out. So not as much pigment as I was expecting. This is nothing like the Ace Beauty one. This one seems to be kind of like what I imagined the Rare Beauty one would be, because I know people are always talking about how that one gives you a little bit of color on the lid, but also it's just really nice and lightweight. That's what this one feels like to me, so I'm super excited to try it out. It also does have a bit of tackiness to it, which I do enjoy, because then that means your makeup is going to adhere really nicely. So I'm excited about this. I'm not like through the moon like I am about the skincare products, but I am very excited about it. Last product is from the brand V Cosmetic, which is the Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick, $22. And this is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the color looks like. I feel like Boxycharm is always sending me like the burgundy-ish kind of colors, like maroon burgundies, like, you know, mauve sometimes, like, and I just feel like no scent, barely any scent. I just feel like I want like nudes or like coralies or like even like a red. Like, this is okay though. Let me go ahead and swatch it. Seems very thin in consistency, and it says the lipstick is formulated to be creamy, lightweight, long-lasting, long-wearing, making a unique statement with your fashion-forward vibe. So yeah, I just feel like all the lipsticks I get look like this. So I mean, I haven't been using the other two that I got sent either. Update on that. But yeah, you guys, I think I'm like least excited about this. Everything else though, I'm very excited. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you're most excited about out of your box. And I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and I am going to count up the grand total. So the overall total of the whole box is $152. And I really quickly just want to run through everything to tell you guys what I'm most excited about. The first thing would have to be the Honeymoon Glow Body from Farmacy. Someone comment down in the comment sections if you use this on your body only or if you can use it on your face. Your face, I understand, is part of your body, but usually I just feel like products like this do say face and body. Just let me know. I'll Google it anyway, but if one of you guys have used it on your face, I'd feel more comfortable, honestly, so please let me know. But I am very excited about this and I love how big it is. Then the Skin Ink product with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. I just love those two ingredients so much. I love the packaging. The rose gold is gorgeous. I also really love the little pink beads in there. I think it's very vibey, which I know what's inside matters the most, and I will definitely keep you guys updated with how I feel about this one, but I think it looks so freaking cool, man. Then the Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. I have never tried a cheek tint before, a tint in general on the face, so I am excited about it. I feel like it's going to be very, you know, lightweight and also very light in coverage when you do blend it out, like very sheer. I do really love a super blushy cheek. However, this for every day might be great, especially for like those no makeup days, maybe even when you're not wearing any foundation and you just want to throw something on for a flush of color. This might be perfect. I will definitely keep you updated, but I do actually like the shade of this quite a bit and it smells amazing. The Basic Beauty eyeshadow primer, I am excited about it. However, I really hope that this one sticks because it just seems with me, any eyeshadow primer I've tried, even though they work great, like you guys, the Anastasia one, I love that one so much, but y'all, I do not reach for it like I need to, which is just a shame, like shame on me, you know what I'm saying? But hopefully I get use out of this one. If I do like it, I'll let you know at the end of the month. But yeah, I'm really excited to see how I feel about it. Then with the V Cosmetics Liquid Lip, I will have to play with this on my lips and I will have to wear it for a few hours to see if it's comfortable, if it's drying, and how it wears. The color is just like not my favorite. It's not my favorite, you know, it's not bad and I think it will look flattering. It's just not my favorite, you guys. So that's my only gripe with it. I'm least excited about this one. I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions on this month's box. Are you excited? What would you be most excited to get? All that kind of stuff. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!